Today, I'm going to be talking about how I earn money in my sleep and how you can too. I'll talk about my 7 favorite passive income streams that can make you an extra $500 or more every day. No matter where you are in life, this video will have great tips for you which you can use to start making money passively just like I did. So like that smash button and let's get started. Wait. So first, what is passive income? Passive income is basically freedom to do what you want whenever you want and still make money while doing it. It's everyone's dream. Society will tell you to go to college and get the best high-paying job you can, but the problem with that is you only have 24 hours in a day. This means that your income will always be capped because you are trading your time for money. So if you really want to be rich, you have to find a way to make money in your sleep. Even when you aren't working, money still needs to be coming in. That's passive income. You want to build as many of these income streams as possible, and once this income can cover your living expenses, you can then be free and retire. You can also reinvest any extra money you make and build even more passive income. Most people think that passive income is when you make a ton of money by doing nothing at all. But that is just not true. I've been passionate about making money and building passive income streams ever since I was young. This includes everything from real estate to dividend investing to starting a business, and I've realized that there's no easy way to build passive income. If someone tries to sell you some course and says you can build a passive income of $10,000 with no money or time, then it's most likely a scam. Yes. Because if that's how it worked, everyone would be doing it. If it sounds like it's too good to be true, it probably is. It's either going to take you a lot of time, so that might be starting a business which could turn into a huge passive income stream in the future, or it'll take some money. And trust me, you don't need tens of thousands of dollars to start, as you'll see in some of the ideas I mention later. I'll go over options that require at least one, time or money. The first way is with dividend stock investing. When you invest in the stock market, you're buying a very small part of a company, which is called a share. Shares provide companies with money which they can use to grow their business, make more money, and hit their targets. Because you're giving them money, you're valuable to them. So a dividend is a reward for giving them money and holding their stock. Dividends are basically a percentage of profits that the companies pass back to shareholders every month or quarter. Not all companies give dividends, but a lot of them do. So for example, if you buy an Apple share, you're now an owner and Apple will automatically deposit money into your brokerage account every quarter. Apple has had an average dividend yield of 1.21% over the past 5 years. So for every $1,000 invested, Apple will give you $121 over the course of the whole year. And again, dividends are usually paid out quarterly or every 3 months. And if you invest thousands of dollars into Apple or any dividend stock, you can end up getting a lot of money back in dividends every quarter or year. My favorite high dividend yield stocks are Coke, Johnson & Johnson, and ExxonMobil. If you don't have an account and want to start, you can use one of my links below to get free stocks. Remember, this is not financial advice because I'm not a certified financial advisor. Always do your research. The second way to start is with REITs. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. When you buy a REIT, you become a shareholder of a company that owns income-producing real estate. It's basically a stock, but it's a stock in a business that focuses only on real estate. REITs are legally required to pay 90% of its income in the form of dividends, and because the value of real estate also tends to go up over time, REITs give you a nice combination of passive income and long-term capital appreciation. Compared to buying your own real estate, REITs are a much less capital-intensive way to own real estate. There are a bunch of REITs out there, but one of the highest paying ones is SPG, which mainly owns premium malls and outlets. It's had an average dividend yield of 5.8% over the past 5 years, meaning that for every $1,000 you invest, you'll get $58 back every single year. Again, the $58 or the dividends are split up and paid to you every quarter or every 3 months. It's currently going for around $168 US. Now you might be thinking $58 is nothing, but it's better than having zero passive income and you have to start from somewhere. Over time, you can keep investing and increase this passive income stream to hundreds or even thousands of dollars. My third passive income stream idea is e-commerce or selling stuff online. When you're working and getting paid by the hour, you need to be there and trade your time to make money. The thing about selling online is that you don't have to physically be there to sell your products. Your products are available to people all around the world every day, 24/7, no matter what you're doing. There are a lot of different ways to sell products online. I first started selling on Amazon and made a good $5,000 on the side as a college student. You can do it as a side hustle or turn it into a full-time business. You can sell on eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and many other platforms. Facebook Marketplace is completely free, by the way, if you have extra stuff at home that you want to get rid of. You may not even have to buy any products if you dropship. Dropshipping is a way to sell products without holding any inventory. You sell a product to your customer through your website. You then have your supplier ship the product directly to your customer. You don't touch the product at all. It can all be done online, and if you're just starting out, dropshipping is a great way to start. It'll improve your business, marketing, and negotiation skills. Here are my top tips for selling online. Get really good at marketing. This is getting the branding and the feel of your products right with good images, descriptions, and copy. You also want to learn how to run ads properly on platforms like Facebook and Google. No matter how good the product is, it won't sell if you don't have good marketing. Next is to focus on the profits. Your goal should be to make money from day one from every single sale. If you aren't making any money from selling something, stop selling it or find a different way to sell it so that you can make money from it. Next, you want to try to find unique or trending products because as a beginner, that's the easiest way to get sales. Once you get going, you can maybe start your own brand and build a unique line of products that will differentiate you in the market. Real estate is one of the best and safest long-term investments you can have. Now, I talked about investing in REITs earlier, which is a hands-off way to make money from real estate, but if you want to be more hands-on, then another passive income idea is to Airbnb properties or your own place. This is a very simple concept. First, you find an apartment or house in a popular area. You then talk to the owner and you ask them if they are willing to rent you the property, which you will then rent out to other people through Airbnb to make some money. So you'll become a landlord without owning the property and putting up all that money up front. Obviously, the owner must agree to this, and to convince owners of giving you their properties, I've heard of people doing 50-50 models where you share 50% of the profits with the owner. There are a lot of ways to convince people. Just make sure you have a solid win-win plan before talking to the owners. People are making millions using this strategy, but remember, the more properties you take on, the more rent you're liable for. So make sure you're comfortable with the risk that comes with this. I'm currently not doing this, but do plan to get into this very soon with some friends. Before moving on to crypto, this is just a quick reminder to smash that like button. Go ahead, don't be shy. Thank you very much. The fifth passive income idea is staking your cryptocurrency. Crypto staking is the process of locking up your crypto holdings in order to get high interest or rewards. It's a great way to use your crypto to generate passive income, especially because some cryptocurrencies offer high interest rates for staking. In some cases, you can earn more than 10 or 20% per year. It's potentially a very profitable way to invest your money, and some of the major cryptocurrencies that you can stake are Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana. So, for example, if you stake your Ethereum, you won't be able to trade or sell it for a certain amount of time, and in exchange, you'll get interest for it. To start staking, all you have to do is buy the crypto on an exchange like Coinbase and then stake it through the app. They walk you through the whole process and it's very easy. If you don't already have a Coinbase account, you can sign up and get free Bitcoin with the link below. The seventh passive income idea is a YouTube channel. Okay, I know that a lot of people have probably told you this, but I'm gonna add a twist on it and show you how you can make passive income from YouTube without even showing yourself. If you do want to show yourself, that is totally fine, but I know that not everyone is comfortable doing that, so this will be a great option for the people that are shy or don't want to put themselves in front of the camera. There are so many channels that make a bunch of money without showing their faces. There are gaming channels, motivation channels, business channels, TikTok compilation channels, and more, which do this without showing who the person is behind the channel at all. First, figure out what kind of channel you want to make and find similar channels and get inspiration from them on what works. If it did well on their channel, it probably will on yours too. After you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours, you'll be able to start making money through YouTube ads. Ads are not the only way to make money from YouTube. Even with just a small amount of success, you can start making good money from ads, brand deals, selling products, and affiliate marketing. Some of the top YouTubers make millions of dollars just from ad revenue alone, so there is a ton of opportunity here. My seventh passive income idea is selling digital products. The internet has changed the game and opened up so many opportunities. In today's age, information is extremely valuable. I mean, mean, if you make a course and properly package that information, you can sell that same thing hundreds and thousands of times while you sleep and make a bunch of money. And you only had to make that course once. But courses aren't the only digital products that you can sell. Here are some more ideas to think about. First is selling Shopify stores. You can learn how to make a well-branded Shopify store and sell it on the exchange marketplace for a profit. You can use the same template again and again to make tons of stores, or you can even find a freelancer to do it for you and then sell it for more than you got it made for. Some stores sell for hundreds and thousands of dollars, so it could be potentially very profitable if you do it properly. A good idea if you literally have no money is creating a theme page on Instagram, TikTok, or other social media platforms. Once your page grows, you can then sell it for a big profit, or you can build businesses off of it like this page did. Like, there are endless opportunities with the internet to sell all kinds of digital products. It could be a paid app, ebook, course, program, right? Like basically anything that you can sell over and over again without doing much work after you make it. I did my best to give the most actionable ideas so that you can start right away, and I know it's a lot, so comment your questions and I'll do my best to answer them. It will take work, but you got this. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell besides it. And if you want, get some free Bitcoin with my Coinbase or BlockFi link down below. You can also get free stocks using my links. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.